Today's lesson is about practice for application of logarithm rules. If p equals log base b of 2, q equals log base b of 3, r equals log base b of 5, write the following logs in terms of PQR. This kind of question basically they test on expanding the log. So you have to use the rule for expanding the log, like these three. But for the argument, try to change into 2, 3, and 5 to express each argument. For example, 6, I can write down log base b of 2 times 3. Therefore, expanding the log base b of 2 plus log base b of 3. Then last step, plug in. You got the p plus, this is a q. Now let's go to 45. 45, you will divide it by 5. 9. Stop at 9. 9 I can change into 3 squared. Therefore, for 45, I can write down 5 times 3 squared. You will get the log base b of 5 times 3 squared. Then we expand this log base b of 5 plus 2 times log base b of 3. Because we drop down the exponents. Then we plug in. You will get the r, because log base b of 5 is r, plus 2 times q, because log base b of 3 equals q. Now let's go to 108. 108, we divide it by 2. You will get the 54. We still divide by 2, you get 27. 27 is 3 to the third power. There we stop. In other words, 108, I can write down 2 squared times 3 third power. In other words, try to make your argument into exponential form, but make sure your base is 2, 3, or 5. So we got the log base b of 2 squared times 3 third power. Then expand the log. We got 2 times log base b of 2 plus 3 times log base b of 3. Make sure the exponent drop down. Then last step, plug in. Log base b of 2, that's p, plus 3. Log base b of 3, that's q. Now let's go to D. 32, that means 2 to the 5th power. 125, we can write down 5 to the 3rd power. Therefore, we got log base b of 2 to the 5th power and 5 to the 3rd power. Then we expanding this log. You got the 5 log base b of 2 minus exponents drop down. You will get 3 times log base b of 5. Then we plug in. Log base b of 2, that is p. So 5p minus 3r. For number E, whenever you have decimal, change into fraction. You get a 12 over 100. Then reduce, you will get 3 over 25. 25, I can write down 5 to the 2nd power. Therefore, I got 5 squared. Then expanding the log. Division means subtraction. Therefore, log base b of 3 minus this exponents drop down, you will get 2 times log base b of 5. Then we plug in. That's a q. So we got q minus 2r. Because this one is r. Let's go to f. 0.54. I can write down 54 divided by 100. So we got divided by 2, 27 over 50. For the 50, I can write down 25 times 2. 27, that's 3 to the third power. Therefore, we got 3 to the third power 5 squared times 2. Now I will change for the f. I will do the log base b of 3 third power 5 squared times 2. Then expanding the log, you will get the 3 log base b of 3 minus 2 times log base b of 5 minus log base b of 2. Remember the exponents drop down. Then we plug in, you will get the 3q minus 2r minus p. Remember, when we are dealing with these kind of questions, spending the log first, then plug in. For number 2, if natural log of a equals p, natural log of b equals q, write the following expression in terms of p and q. For number a, first of all, you got to change argument into exponential form. So we got a to the 1 over third power b squared. Then we expanding the log 1 over 3 natural log of a minus 2 times the natural log of b. Then last step, plug in. That's natural log of a equals p, so 1 over 3p minus 2 times q. Now let's go to b. For the b, you will get the natural log of a b third power then 1/2 power. Working on the power of power first. So we got natural log of a to the 1/2 power times b to the 3 over second power. Then we expanding the log. You will get 1 over 2 natural log of a plus 3 over 2 natural log of b. Drop down the exponent when you do the expanding. Then last step, plug in. You will get the 1 over 2 times p plus 3 over 2 times q.